Hey everyone, it's Lisa here. This is just a quick tutorial on how to import the new clothing items in the female portrait. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, make sure that you have the portrait that you're working on open. In this case, I'm using Body Shape 2. And then you're going to open up the clothing Body Shape 2, which corresponds with the actual body shape that I'm working on. So just open up the additional clothing items and make sure that you're using the correct body shape. The first thing you'll see is an instruction layer, which you're welcome to read through, but this video is going to show you exactly how to do that. So I'm just going to turn that off for now. And what I'm going to do is, in my actual working document, my portrait, I'm just going to turn off the layers that I don't want. In this case, it's the winter outfit. And I'm going to leave my cursor just above the winter layer, because whenever we duplicate an item from a different document and we import it into the working document that we're on, it's going to place it exactly where your last cursor was left. So in other words, I've selected the winter layer, so any new layers that it brings in, it's going to be above winter layer. Okay, so we're going to go over to our clothing item, and I'm actually going to bring in all the items that I currently see, which is the summer top, the pants and the shoes. So what I need to do now is just expand summer tops, click on the flowy tank top, which is the one that we actually see, and then we're going to come out to our fly out menu right at the top, those three little squiggle lines that you see, and then we're going to select duplicate group, and under destination you'll see it gives you options to duplicate it within the same document you're working in a new document, or your other document you have open. So we're going to choose the other document we have open and click OK. Come over to that document and you'll see that it's placed it just above the winter wear layer that we were on. And now that we have that selected, if you can recall, it's now going to place it above the flowy tank top, which for now is fine because I want to show you how you can reorder things. So we're going to go back to your clothing item, expand the pants, because now we just want to bring in the ripped jeans. Select the jeans layer, come to your flyout menu, duplicate group, destination is my Body Shape 2, click OK, come back to Body Shape 2 and you'll see it's popped the jeans above the top. So we actually want the top above the jeans. We're just simply going to select the flowy tank top and move that with our cursor above the actual ripped jeans layer. And the last thing we want to do is add the shoes. So I'm going to click on the winter wear, because now it's going to bring it just above winter wear and below ripped jeans, which is exactly where we want it. And let's scroll down to shoes, select my sneakers light, which is exactly the layer that we want. Come to flyout menu, duplicate group, choose my Body Shape 2, and there you'll see it's just above the winter layer, just below the ripped jeans. The next thing you can do, you can either group all of these items in their own group layer so that you can keep everything organized, or you can just leave them as is. But I'm going to show you how to group them in their own layer. We're simply going to select all three layers, holding down our Shift key as we do that, and then I'm going to hit this little folder icon here in our layers panel. And you'll see automatically it created a group of those three selected layers. And we're just going to name that new clothing. And now you can go ahead and edit the items the way you normally do, or again, if you want to, you can also edit the items in the original clothing document. I hope that was helpful.